Hello all, we are here, or that's not me starting out my video. I usually go like, hello crafty friends, or hello my beautiful people, but I guess today we being a little different, saying hello all. So anyways, let me get into the video. I'm going to show you guys a pre-made, pre-planned card that I've already finished and I've already done, and then I'm going to show you how to make it. This is a little card. Do not remember the measurements, but I took a piece of scrap white paper and I pretty much measured it out on my scoreboard. And it is a little card because well, first of all, it's a part of that Christmas tree series that we have going on. This will be the last Christmas tree for this year. I don't know if I'm going to continue this challenge next year. We'll see. But it's just taking plain white paper and then throwing Christmas tree on it in any design. It's like more easy cards. And for this one, we're actually repurposing gift wrap paper. So I saw somewhat, I'm not sure if it's the same, but I saw like an idea that kind of gave me an idea, and that's why I'm going to show you guys how I made this. So guys, it's really it's really easy. You just need like 6 circles, and I decided to die cut or cut these out of some scallop circles. This bad boy that I got off Temu. I'm just going to show you what I did to get this look right here. And it's pretty much the same look as all the other Christmas trees. Like, I added those little gem or glass shard jimmies as ornaments. I just used this cute, really silvery and white paper. So I had like a white, silver, red little theme. There we go. Let me show you the other Christmas tree cards, like as a recap. It's pretty much the same kind of thing over and over, but it's just different ways you can do it. So you can color and draw it. You can use scrap papers to make the tree, and you can do it this way. So here's that first card. We drew it. We actually made a template using this triangle, or the outline of this triangle, and then we just put it on the card, and we just like drew lines, and we inked it, and we just, you know, put jimmies all over it and colored it and stuff. So that was that first time. So I'm just showing you guys that you can make the same Christmas card using different methods. So there's that. Not exactly the same Christmas card, but I'm saying whatever materials you have on hand. This one, we just took that triangle that we cut out from the outline or the stencil, and then we just took scrap pieces and we did like glue or tape, and then we put the same little sticker jimmies, and we had this bow. And we put look, we have a trunk on every one of them. We have a little tree topper on every one of them. We have stickers on every one of them. This is really easy. You're just gonna take your circles and you're going to fold them in half. And after that, give me a second. Oh, okay. So for one of your circles, you're gonna have it facing like so. You're gonna have it facing this way. Well, you can't. I mean, yeah, you can't do it that way. You're gonna have it facing this way, the circle, that dome facing that way, and then you're just gonna do like a little angle, and then you're gonna take your other circle right here, and you're just gonna have it facing where the little dome thing, is it called a dome? The other half of the circle is facing this way. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have them open like that, so the lines are facing outward. Okay, that's better. Where you bent the paper, you're gonna have them facing outward. I might speed this part up because I sound crazy. And you're gonna hug them. So this part of this paper is gonna be on the bottom here, and then the other part of this paper is gonna hug the top of that, and then you're just gonna apply adhesive. So I'm gonna do this. Let me get these out the way so you guys can see better. Get this. We'll put this to the side here. So you're gonna put a little adhesive here on the inside of that circle, and then you're just gonna throw this little guy right here. So where the point is of the two circles in the lines, you can clearly see the lines, like the scored lines, the bent lines, whatever you want to call them. And then what you're gonna do is you tape that down. You're just gonna put more tape here on the inside somewhere, and then you're gonna take this, the same side of this circle that you tape run down, and you're just gonna put it here. And then what you're gonna do is that's folded on each other, and you're gonna put more tape here, and then you'll do that to the rest of them. Now you're gonna take all 3 layers, and we're just gonna dress it up like a tree, and y'all could, there's no rhyme, there's no reason, you could just kind of tape it where you feel necessary. This is how your Christmas tree turns out. Using 6 scalloped or non-scalloped or hand-drawn circles. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got something out this video, a way to make a cute little fast last-minute Christmas card idea or gift or whatever. This is day 11 of Craftmas, and our word is on. I want you to always remember to be beautiful, because literally you cannot be beautiful without being you. The word you is actually in the word beautiful. So, later.